Hello, students, and welcome to CIS 146 Microcomputer Applications. My name is Dr. Stephanie Henry, and I will be your instructor. This particular course covers workplace applications in the Microsoft Office suite. The applications we will cover include Access, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, and Outlook. Don't be afraid if you've never heard of some of these or if all of these concepts are new to you. I am here to help you and guide you the entire way. The first thing I want you to do is start with the course orientation. It has information for you to read, it has videos for you to watch, and it has a couple of pop out documents that will have screenshots that will help you along the way. Please start there first as it gives you a baseline of information that you need to be successful in the class. Also, it has all of my contact information. So I'm looking forward to our journey together in this course. Welcome again.